Welcome to the updated tutorial on how to silent video call rings on Snapchat. If you're looking to discreetly make or receive video calls without the loud ringing, then this guide is for you. Let's get started. First, open the Snapchat app on your Android device. Once the app is open, tap on your profile picture at the top right corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile settings. Next, locate the gear icon also at the top right corner and tap on it to access the settings menu. From there, tap on Notifications to bring up the notification settings for your Snapchat account. In the Notifications menu, look for the option labeled Ring. Simply unmark or toggle off this option to silence the video call rings on your Snapchat account. That's it. You have successfully turned off the ringing for video calls on Snapchat. Now you can make or receive video calls without any loud interruptions. Enjoy a more discreet and silent video calling experience on Snapchat. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more helpful tutorials. Happy snapping!